Alright, these right here we come up with because on each of these tables, when a guy needs a new sanding pad, before they were having to come all the way over to the blue cabinet and get one out. It took an average of 1 to 2 minutes to get one, get back and get it changed. Now they're right here at their table where they can grab one, and it's knocked the time down to like 17 seconds to change one out. We've also got two rolls of wire at each station for the machines when they run out, instead of having to go all the way to the back corner of the shop to get one, which saved over 3 minutes each time. We've got one right here for between these two tables. And then on the regular tables over there, we've got the individual ones where we can weld them to the table leg. But with these being jig tables, we can't weld anything or tack anything to the tables.